Friends, good morning and namaskar. I Jaswant Singh Kailasia welcomes you in our YouTube channel Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel is also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly launched political party Parad. We consider that our this political party is the first and the only political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing about the contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now in this episode we are discussing the contents of chapter 16 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is some statements, strands, concepts, and analysis of the Parad. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. This episode belongs to part 2nd of this chapter 16, as that we have requested in previous episodes that our party's vision document is a purely technical in nature and we are not perfect in speaking the English language, so we are directly reading the contents of this chapter. Now we start from point 13. The study of Parad revealed that there is no any problem of corruption in India, which is in hot debate and hue and cry. 14. There is also no any problem of high cost, high prices to common men of India. This mehengai is not a witch, nor it kills anybody, and nor it touch the sky, even nor it increases, nor it decreases. The study of the Parad revealed that the population explosion is also not a serious problem of India. The Parad does not believe that so many other problems are generated due to this problem of population explosion, as that of so many intellectual persons claimed. 16. Unlike rest of the world, in India there are so many social, cultural, economic, historical, geographical, theological, etc. specialties, peculiarities, strangeness. Hence, according to these specialties, peculiarities, such a democracy, public representation, administration, and judicial system could not be cultivated, generated, as it must be. The Parad shall be put forward the project plan to minimize these grave disparities. Point 17. The Constitution of India starts from the term justice, but in the matter of justice and judicial system, India is very much ill-named in the world. Point 18. As per our study and thoughts, the article 51A(j) is the most important and paramount article of Indian Constitution. It directs as to establish and develop of logistic, rational thinking and scientific temperament. This article is just like a axis and pivot. We even claim as much as that if the provisions of this article shall not be followed and implemented word by word, it in its true spirit and sense, then the country may be broken down. If the Parad may got the chance, then the theme and spirit of this article shall be incorporated in the preamble of the Constitution of India as follows. And so also that we, the people of India, shall be established, adopt and implement the rationalistic, logistic values and scientific temperament in India. Point 19. The term nation is a European Western concept. The intellectuals of India have not put forward propagated real definition of this term and nor explain the true explanations about the annotations, connotation laid down behind this term nation before the society. Due to this lacunas, there are so many serious problems exist in Indian subcontinent. 20. In India, a caste in itself is a nation. If a caste is not an ideal nation, then at least it is certainly a subnation, because for defining an ideal nation, what are the parameters and criterion are there according to them? All the parameters are being founded in a caste, those are founded in a nation. By accepting these great ground realities, automatically we can rescue ourselves from so many serious problems. 21. In India, farmers do not suicide due to only bank loans. Friends, with this we conclude the second part of this chapter. Thanks for being with us. Presently, we are not requesting you to subscribe, like and share our channel, but we request you that after viewing at least 10 to 15 episodes in a serial manner, we think definitely you will like, subscribe and share our channels. Thanks for being with us. Namaskar.